If you are new to QuickBooks Online, the dashboard can look overwhelming. So today, I'll give you a quick and simple tour so you know exactly where everything is. Let's start with the left navigation menu. This is your hub for daily operations. You will use this to view your feed, check your expenses, and run your financial reports. Up top, you'll see the apps bar that takes you to different sections inside of QuickBooks. Those apps also show up in the pin tray in the left navigation menu. You can change the apps that show up in the pin section. Just click the Customize button in the bottom left corner here, and then click the pin icon to pin or unpin any specific app. Each app also has pages inside of it which you can bookmark. For example, I'm going to bookmark bank transaction here by click this icon, and it will show up under bookmark icon. Next is the plus create button right here at the top left. It's like your creation shortcut. Whenever you need to create a new invoice, write a check, or add a bank deposit, you click here. Now, let's move our attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll find your essential navigation tools. There are contact experts, integrations, settings, help, and your Intuit account and intelligence icons. If you need a hand, Contact Experts offers live chat or a callback option. Support is available Monday through Friday. And if you want someone to handle the heavy lifting, you can even connect with a dedicated live bookkeeper for $50 a month. Next up is integrations. This is where you can sync the apps you're already using directly with QuickBooks. Data flows in automatically, so you can review all your numbers in one convenient place. When you need to handle administrative tasks, head over to Settings. This is your go-to spot to update your company profile, manage your team's access, or fine-tune your chart of accounts. The Help feature is a powerhouse of resources. It gives you instant access to tutorials, articles, and Intuit Assist. Whether you're searching for a quick answer or need to troubleshoot a software issue with an agent, it's all right there. Finally, you have your Intuit Profile and Intuit Intelligence, where you can manage your personal account settings and view smart, data-driven insights tailored to your business. There is also a privacy icon you can click to hide or reveal sensitive financial information on your homepage. You can further tailor your experience via the Customize menu, which lets you remove or rearrange any section on the homepage. Lastly, if you're ever looking for something specific, just use the search box at the very top of your screen. It's the quickest way to find any transaction, contact, or report within your QuickBooks account. That's it for today. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe. And if you'd like to support our work further, consider joining our channel membership. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.